And today, from the Florence Sylvester Senior Center, right down the road, we have Cherie Unholst, who's the director, and we have Lauren Freeman, who is a case manager there. I'd like to welcome both of you. Great to see you once again.
Good to see you too.
Yeah.
Thank you for having us on once again.
Yeah, so what's going on? We're in the middle of March. I imagine next week you probably have some St. Patrick's Day thing going on, right?
We do. We're having our big St. Patrick's Day luncheon on Tuesday, the 17th. So we invite everyone to come down and join us for lunch.
Okay.
Wear the most green that you can, of course. I think they're doing, the corned beef on rye and the yellow Jello.
Yes.
I'm sorry, the green Jello.
Green Jello.
Yeah. So
no green beer?
No, that's a good idea though.
Yes, it is a good idea.
Don't give me ideas. So anyway, so yes, we invite everyone to come down. It's just a contribution of $5.50 for everyone. So again, our lunch program has lots of room to add more. We're always encouraging seniors to come down and join us. Yeah, it's just a great way to meet new people.
Very good.
Yeah.
Now, for the luncheons, do they have to reserve or just come there?
You know what? We don't make the food there. We order it from a catering company that's delivered fresh daily. So it kind of gives us a better idea to let us know how much to order. We do have to order our meals 2 days in advance, but in saying that, we always have extra. We always plan for a little bit extra. We don't like to turn someone away for lunch. So we don't do that very often. So everyone is welcome.
Good.
We want everyone to feel welcome.
And a couple other things you have going on
Yeah,
there?
we're looking for some more volunteers. As you know, we're a nonprofit. We're a 501c3 charity. So we heavily rely on our volunteers. So we're looking to restructure a few programs. So we're always looking for some new volunteers. So of course, we train all of our volunteers when they come in. We want them to feel happy about the experience. So Meals on Wheels, the front desk, reception desk, greeters, kitchen help, servers. So, if you...
A lot of opportunities.
Yeah, if you have at least an hour, come join us.
Yeah, and that's good. If I know you always look for Meals on Wheels, but if someone doesn't feel comfortable driving around or there's other things that they can do and just be there.
We try not to turn anyone away who wants to give us their time. As long as you got heart and want to spend some time, it's a great group of people.
And Lauren, you have a few healthy events coming up, right?
Yes,
Health-wise,
we do the health. I do the health and wellness, and every Tuesday at 1, we have somebody coming in and talk. Next Tuesday we have Doc Talks, which is Dr. Trin. He's doing memory loss strategies to improve brain health. So he's giving ideas of what to do to improve brain and memory.
Okay, very good.
The next one we have the following week is Lisa Gibson.
Oh, I know Lisa. I've done a few things with her.
She's our dietitian, our old past dietitian. So she's doing foods, fact versus fiction, the truth behind nutrition fads. So
Very
she's doing
good. Can I see the sheets?
Yeah, so gluten versus grain, just different.
Yeah, she is really, she's a fun person.
Yes, she is.
Yeah, very good. She's always got great information. I think a lot that even I learned from her is that a lot of these fads, you find that, you know what, they really are more hyped up as far as they're really good for you, like superfoods, or maybe things people like GMOs, we should be afraid of these things. And she really cuts through all that and finds out for people and gives them good information. And bacon is a super healthy food. At least,
I agree.
Don't you agree with that?
I agree.
Yeah, that's probably on the top of my list. Bacon and barbecue. And bourbon. There we go.
There you go.
The 3 Bs.
And our third one is a dating one.
Yeah.
So it's take your relationships to a new and exciting level in 2020 from Monarch. And they're talking about STDs. They're talking about friendships versus dating. Don't let fear stop you from meeting new people. Stay smart, avoiding scams online and in person.
Yeah.
So, it's a helpful tip, if you're interested.
And that is March 31st.
March 31st, and it's through Monarchs.
Okay. And you know what's nice about that? Just going there, you're sort of starting the process out, right?
Yeah. True.
Because you're going to be around several other people that you might meet, and there's a connection there. And See, that's how it all starts. Am I
Yep.
right?
Come to lunch.
Yeah,
Never know.
that's
we
right.
have had seniors meet each other
Yeah, I know.
and that way, and we even had a long time ago in Dana Point, we had a 100-year-old get married. He said he
Wow.
wasn't going to get married till he was 100, and so he actually had his wedding at the senior center
Wow.
with his 98-year-old wife.
Yeah, I think I remember that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very good. So all these things are available to folks.
Yep.
Most of them are free. You know, you ask for a donation for the meals and things like that. And the key is a lot of these get filled up. So it's calling the senior center and getting your name on the list. That's probably the most important thing above anything else. And you can pick up the booklets that are this month. Of course, they're green for St. Patrick's Day. The number's on the screen, 3800155. You can always call there. And of course, going down the street right there at the Molten Plaza area, if you haven't been there before, head on down there and just look around. Even if you don't know what's going on there that day, once you go there, you kind of get a feel of what is there, the nice people that work there. You can pick up a booklet, and then from there, you'll always remember that resources is down the road. And above anything else, like we said about this dating thing, you're going to meet people there.
Right.
Yeah, have a
Very
lot
much
of fun.
so.
Anything else you'd like to add today?
No, just come visit us at the senior center.
All right.
We're always having a good time.
All right. Yes,
Yeah.
you certainly do. Thank you very much. I
You're very
appreciate you ladies
welcome.
coming on. We'll see you next time, and we'll be right back.
Mama used to